Okay, what we got here is a stump clearing jig. The wood left over in the side of an eye of an axe that you basically cut the handle off and you want to remove that wood inside the eye. That wood we call a stump. And sometimes it's already got a wedge in it or it's got a bunch of nails in it and it's kind of hard to remove. So this is a jig that I made that allows me to drive that stump out the top of the eye. And this is sort of kind of how it works. I've got a couple oak blocks in here that are separated with a couple pieces of plywood that are bolted together. And we're going to pretend that there's wood in this one, okay? And what I'll do is I'll straddle that opening. And then I'll take the wedge and stick it in here that locks the head up against the inside edge of those pieces of plywood. And then I take a drift and my mallet, and I'll be doing this on the floor, and I'll actually then drive that wood wedge out the top of the eye, because most axe eyes have got a little bit of taper to them, almost like a dovetail. So by driving it up and out, the larger opening is the easiest. Okay, so this jig is meant to be done on the ground, so that when I drive, I'm actually forcing that energy and that load, into the ground, as opposed to on a workbench where things can get messed up and stuff. Unless you got a really stout steel table or whatever. So let's pretend there's a wood stump in here. So this is the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to put that in here like this, straddle the hole, and then use this wedge to lock that in place. Now that head is secured, and my eye is directly over this opening. Then I take a drift made out of steel, and I put on top there, and then drive all the way down, and then that stump falls down to the bottom. I remove my wedge, and I have a cleared eye.